What is going on, guys? It is your boy Max Crypto here, back with a brand new video. Hope you guys are doing well. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to stay up with all the latest crypto news, guys. In this video, this is going to be specific for all my Canadian viewers. I know most of you are Canadian anyways, so let's get right into it, guys. Today we're going to review Wealthsimple Crypto. Now, this is a very popular platform, and it is a platform that honestly I haven't recommended at all within the past year or so, and that's specifically because they didn't have any crypto custody. So even though you were able to technically purchase cryptocurrency with their app, guys, there was no crypto infrastructure, so you couldn't deposit crypto to it, you couldn't withdraw in crypto. So it was very much so just almost like you're buying a contract to hold the asset, but you can never touch the real asset. So that's why I never really recommended it. And now I've actually seen that they've done some major updates on the app, and you are now able to deposit crypto directly into the app. You're not able to withdraw it, but I believe you will be able to withdraw it soon. So this is a very important thing, guys, basically meaning that it's transforming to a full-on crypto trading platform where you can actually take custody of the assets and withdraw them, deposit them, and all that. So that is a huge development. So that's why I'm giving you guys this review now, just so y'all are up to date with what's changing. I never recommended it in the past. Like I said, it hasn't been my favorite platform, but now I see they're making major updates, and it might be the best way for Canadians to buy crypto now, now that they have the crypto custody, basically. So let's go into the positive things about this app. So first of all, guys, there's no fees when you buy. That's huge. If you compare it to something like Coinbase, they're gonna take a fee off of it, right? So that is a huge bonus if you want to just dollar cost average. If you want to buy multiple times, you want to buy big amounts, guys, it makes it very easy when you have no fees to pay. That being said, you need to make sure to understand you can't withdraw in crypto yet. I believe if you want to sell your crypto assets and then withdraw just fiat money, you're able to do that, but you are not able to withdraw crypto. So that is one big drawback. But like I said, the zero fees really make it a positive. And now that they're implementing the crypto infrastructure, guys, I think this could be really huge. And I think this is an app that a lot of people are going to start using. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for Wealthsimple. Also, I do want to mention that they have a lot of cryptocurrencies that are actually listed on the platform. Obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, there's so many other altcoins. So it's good if you want to invest in different things. Actually, Wealthsimple offers, a lot of different choices. And also, guys, this is probably the easiest platform if you want to just deposit money from a debit account, guys, from your bank account. Basically, it's super simple, the process. You'll see it here. I'll put a video next to it, but you literally just link your bank account and you can set up auto deposits and all that. So it's really easy if you want to get started. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much my review of Wealthsimple Crypto. Like I said, the new updates they brought really changes the game and makes this platform actually viable now. So yeah, really like what they're doing, really like what Wealthsimple is working on. If you guys would like to use the platform, I will have a link down below. You just get a free crypto reward, and I get one as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions or anything like that, make sure to leave them in the comments and I'll answer them for you. As always, guys, this is Max Crypto and I'm signing out. See you guys.